Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow passengers, you're stopping in with you guys with the daily BTC price prediction. If you're just joining us, welcome. It's really simple what we do. We find support and resistance and patterns to determine the market's direction. That's it. So if that piques your interest, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified where we see the markets going before it happens. And help the channel, guys. Engage in the comment section. Leave an appropriate thumb to help the YouTube algorithm. Let's get into this daily BTC price. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is December the 9th, 2020, and the current price of BTC is going to be $18,548.02, up about 1.2% for the day, okay? So I actually got rid of the rectangular range, guys. We got rid of it, but we kept the descending line here. So we'll see if we can understand this short-term price swing here. We're up against a 12-hour and a daily close in about 30 seconds. So the one thing that I want to see is it actually stay above this red line. We actually discussed this on the video just previous to it. Hopefully we left a link for that. This range is going to be, well, level rather, is going to be at about $18,400 and about $50, like $18,500. I'd like to see the price stay above that level, because if it gets below here, then the price will probably be subjected to any price levels just below this wick of this candle that just closed on this 12-hour, and that's currently at about $17,600 in the high levels there. All right, so we just got a 12-hour close, and we close just above that red line, so that's actually a pretty good start. So this would allow the price to actually stay above this level and potentially get as high as this descending line here, which is currently at about 19,000. Now, let me be very clear, guys. The trend is still perfectly intact to the upside. However, the sellers do have a small window of opportunity because they just followed through with their lower low. And I'll just point that out for you guys here, starting in November the 30th, right here at about $19,700. We'll put the path and we'll just show you guys the price topped out and it went down. The recent top out, not the actual top out, guys. It's too early to determine if it's the actual top out. And it went down, made a low. It went up, made a lower high. Went down, lower low, up, lower high, and down, lower low. So far within this small range here between November the 30th to present day, the sellers do still have control of this short term here, okay? Now, in order for the buyers to change this, the first level that they need to get above will be this level right about here at about $19,300. But the buyer's obligation at this point will be the $19,700 level. I will need to see that happen within at least 12 hours from today. Or if it doesn't happen within 12 hours from today, within this 12-hour candle here, then the critical level that needs to stay above in order for this to play out is this red line down here. Again, at about $18,400, $18,500. If it can at least hold support above that level, just to kind of gear up the necessary momentum to break through that descending line and get all the way above $19,700, that'll be just fine. But I would much rather see the price hang out above this red line because, yeah, it can't get below that line, guys. I've studied this for some time, and that's a pretty critical level there. So let's just keep our eyes on this, but let's not make a mistake, guys. Let's make sure that we all are on the same page and we understand that BTC is perfectly confined within an overall uptrend. I'll give you an example of that. So right here on November the, this is the November the 15th right here. We'll just start here. Remember, the only thing we're looking for is higher highs and higher lows to verify the uptrend. So let's just get our path back here and let's start at 16,000 and it went up to about 19,300. Got a rejection, $16,700. That's a higher low. Went up, higher high, $19,700. And currently we're trying to figure, the buyers are trying to figure out if they're going to take the price from here at this current level at about 18,100. It's just over 18,400 right now. And they're just trying to figure out if this is going to be the low, maybe it'll go lower. As long as it stays above this previous low here at about November the 27th, it's technically a higher low. And that's all we need to see higher highs and higher lows in the, higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. So the next stop would need to be the buyer's obligation. Again, I've said this a few times, $19,700, guys. That's a buyer's obligation. They must get the price above that level in order to continue this overall uptrend. If the buyers are having a little bit of trouble getting the price to that level, then it's likely that the sellers are just in the transitional phase of taking over this overall trend here from the uptrend to a downtrend. But again, I think the buyers have a unique opportunity to step in. Let's just keep our eyes on the price. And first level would definitely be this descending line here, which is at about $19,000. It must break through that level and continue higher and to fulfill their obligation to clear the sell orders to and through the $19,700 level, guys. That's all I got for you. Be sure to leave an appropriate thumb if you enjoyed that. Leave a comment down below. Let us know where you think the price is going here on the BTC in the next 24 to 48 hours. And I really appreciate your time, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're putting out a lot of content, guys. Traditional markets, the alternative markets. Okay, we'll put it out every single day for you guys. You don't want to miss that. We're going to head out here. Thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now.